Hello everyone. Today I have come up with five questions and answers. Last day I introduced myself and I answered few questions. And thanks again, Programming Hero, to uh, show my skills, how I can speak. However, my first question is, what are the differences between HTML4 and HTML5? Actually, there are a few differences between HTML4 and HTML5. The first um, key difference could be that HTML4 has a long declaration, but on the other hand, HTML5 has a very short declaration, such as doc type HTML. That's it. And HTML5 introduces some new tag which is not supported by HTML4. Suppose media tag is not supported by HTML4, and there are some tags such as let me check it out. Suppose header, footer, Canva, article. That's it. And HTML4 uses the cache to store the client's important data. On the other hand, HTML5 is more secure. It stores the data on SQL database. That's why it's recommended to use HTML5. And what are the semantic tags in HTML? The semantic tags were invented for the first time on HTML5. Those are actually article, section, header, footer, and aside, nav. Those tags are used for actually it's increase the readability of of a reader, and it's also helpful for the bot, which is actually a program which actually crawl on the website, which is actually part of the search engine, Google search engine or any search engine, which actually can determine which part is for what content. Actually, it's helpful and it's enhance the more readability, more understandable for anyone, for human, for machine. What is the why will you use the? There is a very easy question there. What is the strong and B tag? Strong tag is if you would like to emphasize, if you would like to highlight any text, then you can use the strong tag. On the other hand, B tag is only to used only for making any text just bold. If you don't want to make importance, you don't need to use strong tag. And on the other hand, there are two tags. One is EM or M tag or I tag. Both of them are is gonna change the angle of the text, italic text. Though those tags are similar, but if you wanna emphasize any tag, then you can use EM tag. What are the properties and attributes in HTML? Properties and attributes. Actually, what are properties and attributes in HTML? It's a bit confusing for me. However, I would like to clarify everyone. Attributes is the part of HTML tag which actually take place on the start tag, the beginning tag of any tag, which is confusing. Not confusing, actually. My explanation might be confusing for you. Actually, it exists on the start tag. Any tags which actually tag has start and ending tag. Actually, HTML tag has two parts: start and end. Attributes, all attributes take place on the start tag, and actually it determines determines the HTML, determines and defines how HTML any elements, HTML elements. On the other hand, properties is the part of DOM, document object model, which is actually not which is more relevant to DOM. And that's it. That's my answer. What is viewport? Viewport is very easy. You can easily understand. Once we design or develop any website for only for computer, but it was early in the days. But nowadays, it's as internet is popularity is growing so fast. So we actually design or develop a website for several devices such as mobile, tab, and smartwatch also. Sorry, smartwatch might be not that fit for not fit for web page. However, we can actually use that viewport technology. Actually, it helps us to control the display size according or based on the display of any devices. That's it. What is the hyperlink in HTML? Hyperlink in HTML is actually it represents or it enables the user enables the user to go one page to another page, or you can say it enables the user to link up external page on a specific website, or actually it's used to go one location to another location. The page might be the same. This is the purpose of HTML href element. However, this is the purpose of href element, and we used a tag to hyperlink any page, and href is the attributes of a tag, where we put the URL to go to the destination page. And I think I answer all of the questions. However, how will you use audio and video tags? Actually, it's very easy. Audio and video, both of them are two tags, start and end. But remember that between two tags, if between two tags content will only be appear if the audio and video is not supported by the browser, and audio and video has audio tag contain the sound content, and the video tag contain the video content. Oh, there is an interesting. What is the difference between HTML elements and tags? HTML elements consist of three parts: start tag, end tag, and the content between the tags. And tags is very tags are used to mark up the HTML element, where to start and where to end. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching this. Hope soon we will talk. I will talk to you, and thanks.